Hi everyone! Let's make a pixel pizza together. For this project, we'll need 4 colors: black for the outline, brown for the crust, yellow for the cheese, and red for the toppings. To start, take a pixel grid that is 15 columns by 15 rows. We'll number the columns 1 to 15 and label the rows A through O. Let's begin with the outline using the black marker. We'll go column by column. In column 1, color A, B, C, and D. In column 2, color A, E, F, G, and H. In column 3, color A, B, C, I, J, K, and L. In column 4, color A, D, H, K, M, N, and O. In column 5, color B, D, H, K, M, and O. In column 6, color B, C, I, J, M, and O. In column 7, color B, L, and O. In column 8, color B, F, G, L, and N. In column 9, color C, E, H, K, and N. In column 10, color C, E, H, J, and M. In column 11, color C, F, G, I, and L. In column 12, color C, G, H, and K. In column 13, color D, E, F, and J. In column 14, color D, H, and I. And finally, in column 15, color D, E, F, and G. Now that the outline is done, let's bring it to life with color. Use the brown for the crust. Now let's fill in the cheese with yellow. And finally, add the red for the toppings. And just like that, our pixel pizza is ready. Thanks for drawing with me.